Today we're going to bring some true wireless earbuds. Now, these come with its own case that also acts like a charging case for the actual earbuds. And we're going to open it up for the first time if you guys can see. Now, on the box, you're going to see how much percentage each one has. There's 92% on the actual box, but now you see the left and the right on here, visible. It's telling you how much it's charging right now. And then as soon as you pick one up, of course, you're going to see one of them only charging, which is the left-hand side. So you got the actual earbud here. And right now it's trying to pick up a Bluetooth. So it's going to try to pick up any kind of phone that you have, and you can see it in there. Now, they do have different earbuds here, different formations for different types of ears. It's also included with it. You could actually touch and hang up calls. You could answer calls. You could even increase the volume on it. So there is no push of a button. It's all touch base. All right. If you're going to be running or sweating or jogging, these are perfect too. And then we do have a silicone ear here with a wireless microphone that we are going to test out so you could hear the quality of the actual microphone. So you can see how good it fits in my ear. So I'm going to move myself to the side. I easily slipped it on with glasses on, if you guys can see that. And of course, this wraps around the ear, all right? And this is a smaller ear, a silicone ear, but you can see it, how good it wraps around the actual whole system. See, and it hangs on. So if you're running and jogging, you don't have to worry about it. The audio you're going to be hearing from, it's within here. So it might be hearing muffles. Now let's go ahead and play a video.
Story about a jewelry store in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. You grew up in the Philadelphia suburbs.
That was a video we just played so you guys could hear it from the actual quality. Let me take this off. All right, that was a video that we just played with the system on, and of course it covered the actual muffle on it, but you're able to hear it directly from a wireless microphone that I have built into the system. So if you guys are looking for a great set of earbuds, these are it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.